Here is how to set up Kick Chatbots in 2026 to level up your stream. Let's begin. First, head over to Naizop.com using the link in the description below. Once you're there, just click Log In and use your Google account to get started immediately. Next, you need to add balance. Go to the deposit section. You can top up using your card, crypto, and more. It's fast and secure, so you can start pushing your stream right away. Now go to New Order. In the search bar, type Kick Chatbot. Choose the first option. It costs $1,956.69 per 1,000 chatbots, which is the best rate for bots that actually stay active for an hour. From here, just paste your Kickstream link. In this video, we're testing this with one. In this service, you can only order a maximum of one, but on the stream, more than one chats become active because repeated messages keep appearing from different chatbot accounts. Type that in, tap order now, and that's it. This bot will start participating in your chat immediately. Here's how it went. The stream chat started getting activity. We've got one chatbot sending cool comments, making the stream look much more fun and alive. Just a quick heads up about the risk. To stay safe, don't overdo it on a brand new channel. Keep it realistic so you stay under the radar while building that initial momentum. If you want to level up your stream, go to Naizop using the link in the description below. It's one of the easiest ways to grow fast and safely. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2026 growth tips.